Alright, well, here's the bag. Nowhere near done, but to a place where I can explain it. This is a art bag. The side panel pockets, I'm going to shape those up and put straps and buckles. This is the main flap here. I got a front pocket here that I'm going to put some structure in and put a flap for the other side. More pockets. And of course down inside I have this structure built. Hold up, but what I'm going to do now is sew. I'm going to sew the bag to the frame. Should be pretty straightforward and pretty easy to sew that right to the frame. And just go from there. Yep. Anyway, that's the bag as it's shaping up. We've got a lot to do yet, but that'll be JT's art and crafts bag.